Hi, this is Gary with Aldan American. Today we're going to be talking about the Spohn trailing arms. This is a really nice setup. It's got spherical bearings at both ends. It's also slightly adjustable, so if you have to adjust your wheelbase a little bit. The upper also has pinion adjustment built into it. So what you can do is loosen the jam nuts. This hex here has left and right hand threads, so you can rotate it back and forth. So you can either make this upper arm longer or shorter so that you can set your pinion angle. Included with the kit, we have the bolts. We also have the Spohn spherical bearing that goes into your axle housing. So this presses in place of the original bushing so that you have spherical bearings at all 4 points for upper and lower control arms. And this arm is also tubular and it does not have provisions for a sway bar. So it uses the sway bar that mounts to the frame and to the axle housing. For more information about the products that we offer from Spohn, check us out at aldanamerican.com.